3, 2, 1, and action. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of them come the PADI show. PADI.
Hey.
PADI. Okay, before I continue for my craze for today and every, first and foremost, my name is Ogbonge. You know how we do. You know what up. But I get my girl in the building. Very, very beautiful chick. And. Very, very sumptuous, very, very knowledgeable, She's the mixture of both beauty and the brains. You understand me now? Before, they call her foreign witchcraft that they import, but now I'm liking this girl in a very, very different manner. Mayawa, don't go hustle, can't hustle onto different things. So today, I bring back my girl, my fine girl, and every. My personality was sandwich, and every. In the building, Olive.
What did I talk about that song?
She ain't talking. Please don't. Hey, I don't forget.
No, go through much for waiting.
I don't forget what you talk for that.
Please don't leave me.
Just because you can. Yes. Because you just.
I beg if you want to leave, may you leave.
Olive, welcome to the building.
Thank you.
To the PADI show and everything. You're looking beautiful.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Oh man, you're looking like, oh, get it. Come on, I look you well.
Look it.
So say most times when men they look ladies, if they wear glasses, where they medicated glasses, so they'll see like this.
I don't know why they do that too. And the glasses, now you're supposed to give them better vision to see the girl very well.
There's nothing like the real eye. The real eye of somebody like this. But we live our home.
I throw away salutes giving out my correct people. I don't miss on our way from on top of this show. I did very, very happy say I did here. And today on top of the show, me with Ogbonge don't agree. Say we not go fight. We not go quarrel.
Fighting.
We pledge peace.
No fighting.
Hold hands.
Yeah, we pledge peace.
We pledge peace.
Yes.
We don't want quarrel again.
No.
At least for now.
Yes, at least for now, until after election. Once after election. Because tomorrow, election things, there will be peace everywhere.
We pledge peace.
Peace everywhere. Not be urinate to peace. Let peace. P-E-A-C-E. Peace. All right? So, welcome to the building.
Thank you very much. So, you don't do limit.
Now they do like this.
We'll not go quarrel today.
We'll not quarrel. Let's do our best.
We'll not quarrel. No, you not curse me. I don't curse you.
No. I don't curse you before I enter you. Not be say.
Ha.
Oh.
Then
we go see this video. Una welcome again on top PADI. We see this video. They come back now.
No, we they come back.
Hey.
Election tomorrow, I beg you, make una vote right.
No daytime.
Okay, election they come up very soon, so make una vote right. If you don't know what to vote for, just don't put the finger for the PDP. My way, the way they work for you. They can do it. Oh yeah, Lipopo. So they come up, please vote peacefully. What do you want? If you don't know who to vote for, just vote for somebody. Your feeling and your right. Our own time, you want to not bless it like this. But now, you want to so I beg you, make una do this small. Wahala not do. Thank you very much. May God bless you with a bless for peace. If they go home, go do something. You want to do churchy.
Come, man. I'll tell you something.
Wait. Now they check my temperature.
This guy don't win. Your old age go funny, Jack.
Forget, then at the old age you don't make money. Hey, tomorrow, make una.
Flash peace.
Go do chatty.
You sure say you never be old man for your former life?
No. But when I small, they say I act like old
your
man.
Grandpa. Now you be your grandpa, we don't go, we come back.
Not be that one. They just talk say I get too much wisdom as a young kid with plenty wisdom. But that now very, very important thing.
You not be young kid though.
Me?
Kid different from child. Child different from pikin.
No, they talk when
pikin different from issue.
Oh,
So now they call yourself kid.
Or yeah, explain the all of them. Child now waiting.
Child. Child now person will say he grew up for family, will say they just do alright, everything just do okay.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, so Pekin.
Pekin.
Area.
Swallow for them.
Area children. Then issue.
Now inside kitchen that they born Pekin.
Pekin.
Now they the way they reach hospital. They just come out.
That's not for express. But for issue.
Issue now when the man Pekin will be say the man don't just look at wife say, man, this is my wife. I not like me, he's stressing himself. Just send and go foreign place.
Oh,
just go drop
travel for the abroad.
Now, issue be that one.
Issue.
Like all the Elenu will be say, well, Elenu wife. Just carry Pekin like just go there, go throw away.
Okay. My own go be like that. I mean, I must make sure I issue.
But
issue.
Calm down now. I explain kid.
No, okay.
Kid now the one we say they born am for here, but they born am for correct place. Everything they alright. Everything safe.
For here.
For here.
Kid.
Now be kid.
So the Yankee own na be issue.
Then the one we just do okay na child.
Child. You know.
Then the one we no just try at all. Na Pekin.
Pekin.
Okay. Now make I say me not they call yourself kid so because me with you know where you from they come.
Now from where now? Look at you. We say we could just go into a fighting thing today.
My guy, we don't consider
if
that.
not, we could just enter ourselves like that.
We too na issue.
Yes.
We too be issue.
Yes. We can really like it to a issue.
We are an issue.
You are an issue.
You are an issue.
But issue for Yoruba na yamo. Say you know. They give issue. We will born issue.
Issue.
Please, the woman with the issue.
Issue. I get one story where they are.
All right, y'all. Okay, we get out there, they present yarn the yarn. Okay? So we'll take a break up for the whole thing like this.
You have more pose for the yarn the yarn.
For ladies and gentlemen, we present now yarn the yarn.
Okay. Welcome back on top yarn the yarn at the place where the sun show all the things where they happen for Obodo Naija and Obodo the world.
Jeez.
Now on top yarn the yarn, you get one kind of story where I get on top here. They say man kill in girlfriend, in woman, you share in babe. Because the babe thought say in the peace for bed. Man read the story. They say man kill in babe. After the babe talk say in the peace for bed. Now court na talk that one. In name na Philip Davis. In be 26-year-old. And in babe na 25-year-old babe. He come mistakenly piss for bed. Say the girl come wake up. As she wake up now, she go they say, wow, Davis, say this kind thing. Say she come tell her, say may you throw away the bed. Say she not go fit sleep for the bed. Say the bed too na nyama bed. Say may she throw away. Say na then the guy come vex. Say who be this girl? We go they tell me say make I throw away my bed because I use mistake take piss. Call kill the girl.
Now pressing of neck. Say for when the girl just
say he squeeze her throat. So the girl come dey fear. Say the girl come dey fear. And na only 6 months they're two friends. Only 6 months.
This thing, you see not from two angles. Now very bad thing this guy do. You understand? Say he just look say because he get tell and say look, you are pissing on my bed for what? Why you go come? You're supposed to be a lover to me. Instead you are turned to urinator.
You never make we talk this true. Now me we talk this matter. I never use mistake take piss on top bed.
Me.
Wait, which age you stop to the piss for bed?
Me.
You know the piss?
No, now when I piss last as baby.
Wait.
As one thing.
I come una area, come see una. For your house. I see people for outside.
See, we go like this, we go start this way, you know more move we do now.
Okay.
You understand? You say you don't they took the thing, they took the thing. You want they form entering me. I can enter you back.
I can't no vex. We pledge peace.
We pledge peace. But the last time when me I pissed, see, to show you how I take the control my pissery, you get one of my auntie. She come from the north, come visit us. Now only me that they live to stay with them. If she wants to call her bed, they big for her own rooms. But when she wants to share bed with somebody, she go say, now only Michael. Now of course, she call her in a Trish way. Now, not this house where they can call the name well. Michael, now go stay with them for that particular bed. Because the remaining, they donate.
They be rainy season.
Oh, blaye. They remove Jiva Jordan for body. So, but
may we talk this thing.
This gist.
If you be saying a mistake, maybe if you be say the guy not the peace. Man, explain give una. I know say na confess, I won't confess on top national TV, but anybody will like naim sabi. That one nothing make me not go marry. Understand? Go talk the real truth, the very truth.
Okay.
I don't day like secondary school one day. You go just day like this, you just dey sleep, you know, you don't play well, you don't walk. Seniors for school don't punish you, don't do hard work. You call they sleep as you just dey sleep, you dey dream. say for the dream, peace can they catch you. You can't run go where they for the peace, you know, na toilet for the dream. As you just day, you just sit down and say you want the do the thing on top toilet. Or must they peace for toilet for real life.
For dream.
For the dream. For real life, the TV called the apple.
No Martin. For boys, when I got you go see yourself. You just see yourself the peace for got for real life.
He do me for secondary school.
You wet everywhere.
I don't already grow up. He do me for secondary school. But the thing be say, as I just start, as the thing just come out, when I jump up from bed. So if it be saying a mistake.
For the guy, Abi?
Yes, if it be saying a mistake. And I don't know one girl will be say, if village people follow and go reach in fiancé house, it never one day peace for body. As he just reach in fiancé house, the night where he sleep there, now he peace for bed. Now he can't say no, they marry again.
Hey, down they follow and come.
They follow and
Then do am.
If in Papa village people, now
then do am. They totori picture. They carry everything. They
use the
picture. They do that. They find old people. Hey, oh, that one finish. But for this particular killing things,
it not reach.
For the peace things, it not reach. That guy, not see. But at the same time, they tell ladies, that's why they always good say women, they know until they talk this talk.
You not get waiting, the guy go talk, go let and kill him.
I'm not talking waiting the guy do as he go buy and good, you understand? But they also talk on the flip side, self, you understand? No matter how you take bad, how you take person something self, they matter. Because sometimes you all say, look at you useless man. As you're useless like this, that's why you're useless. Come the peace for bed join. Yes, somebody. Now there you go, they peace, they go for the rest of your life.
They can't drag the man, show.
Can't drag him for shit.
Idiot! Go throw away your mattress.
Kill me, peace, you know they shame. Your mate, they be lawyer for outside. Your mate, they be hustle for outside. You they peace,
men not like that thing, no.
Once you don't toy with man ego like that, you go just vex him. And you don't know whether the animal you dey vex. When you can go to vex the animal is pressing the neck and everything.
So we don't learn one story. True, wait till we talk. We don't already learn one lesson from this thing. You know, good rating the guy do. We not fit justify him, but maybe we dey very, very conscious of how we go talk to people because some people they craze. They say plenty people they mad. Now only if they walk out for street. Some people just normal like this they mad. Now my favorite quote be that. You understand?
So enough is enough. The word is enough for the wise. So we'll take this video now. We'll come back and give you another gist on top the yam pea. Alright, so no go anywhere.
Take it away.
We sit here.
But if there are ways to take revenge.
I want to go to Cape Town. Can we put that in the... We go to the funeral in Wellington. This person is an old man I work for. Now he died. He looked after me when I was a pickaninny. Please, we don't have money to take him to Wellington to get buried. Okay, bring him. No, we just put him here at the back. Please. No, man. Help me here. Please, man. No, help me here.
I can't. No, I can't.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. In the front. In the please, my friend. How?
No.
Oh.
Yes.
No. No. Let please.
No.
Oh, please. Okay. Okay, you know what? You know what? You've been shocked. It's a joke. Come here.
You know what time it is?
It's
time for the
party
party time.
Huh.
Yeah.
It's time for the party.
Time for the party. You know we do it. You know how we got it.
Hey.
Yeah, Yeah. Move on the belly, I'm spitting like Machiavelli. The lyrics is smelly. I'm feeling inside your telly. I'm feeling inside your telly. You rappers really silly. You rappers really vanilla. But not in.
Hey. You dey rap more.
I dey rap.
You dey rap. Sorry. You dey rap more. You can rap for.
I'm a rapper.
Rappers.
You know how we do it. That's how we roll. Magic girl, just fine. Don't make sense. Don't make brain. Call the rap.
Monica. If Monica no kill me, I no go die again. This kind of love, no go wait for again. I carry Monica.
Guy, which generation they born you?
No, we have teen.
School.
We have teen.
When they ask you the song, I take.
You say, how you take it? Not true.
I don't know.
You be old mate too. You are old mama.
I want laugh. Don't go laugh, the laugh.
All right, I'll get one more video. We'll get video, not be one more. We still get videos to show now. One video I will show now before we read another story.
We
still get story now.
Laugh the laugh.
All right, so video things is coming back now.
ठीक है तुसी गुस्सा नहीं करना तुसी टीवी पे आ रहे हो आओ सामने कैमरा लगा है
My brother, not follow that kind of play me. Not follow me play that kind of play. I'm not liking anything, I don't like it.
Well, you can only try that one for that side. Now India be that.
Try am for Nigeria.
As long as they bring out stick, that's what they
May we not to
blow
go
your
far.
nose
May
for
just go show the ear under the bridge.
Oshodi self you see. For more leave island for here alone self.
Try the way they rush you.
Before you just finish, po. Not play.
They'll beat you. They'll beat your cameraman. Join.
You do this now, Charlie Boy some years back now. When they do candid camera, I don't know what one of him guy go they do. He just wear big this thing. Let's say naked under. So he just go meet people for road, just open like this. They all run. Then you go down for the wrong guy for Joe Legba. I just open it, say, now blow. If you see blow, the guy they fall, they beat and as they fall, they use blow, they fall on for ground. Yeah. Look, see blow. They come beat the camera, guy join. Now there, candid camera stop. Now there, they blow the guy teeth fall down like this. The guy they fight it for ground. But any which way, that one feel happen for that side. For here, we are a bit more sensitive than that.
Very more sensitive, very plenty sensitive.
My own gist,
Give me
sensitive, and at the same time very touching. That's why they always say people are beg. Maybe we do our best possible. Say, una know they keep things them like fuel or diesel or all those things for house. I beg. This particular woman, what they call Ajoke, I go live in Sunday out of the whole thing. Ajoke don't pray to God for like 7 years for Pekin. God finally bless her with Pekin. But their landlord, they come to keep things for house like fuel and all those inflammables. But one day, now so fire come catch the house. House come burn. Ajoke, no day house. But her Pekin, wait for 7 years, she is trusting to God for finally the house burn. Burn that Pekin join. Burn the Pekin join the house, everything come down with the Pekin inside the house. Now they say the woman don't craze because of Pekin, which she did trust God for 7 years for. Because person decide to keep fuel for house, he burned everything through away. This is badness. I beg. We don't say they try the who. If one say one blame, now who go say we go blame? Now?
I go blame the woman who keep the fuel inside the house.
Some people they go come say government when no make fuel for everywhere. You know,
they don't hear when
people.
they say the people they keep banger for inside house. They keep banger with the year say the banger cause explosion. You will be say you be landlady, you endanger the lives of your tenants. Not be good thing.
So they keep fuel for this thing.
They keep.
This thing not keep kill my friend.
I don't be saying I should say not be small fuel. Maybe not from house she for they sell.
Whether not small self, whether not big self, or as far as he did that house, it's not too good. My friend, I know May her soul rest in peace, Moji. That year, fine girl. Go her boyfriend house. You know, say the boy keep plenty fuel for inside bedroom. Never can't take like the boy not the house.
Oh, she can't like
she can't carry her to pass. Maybe she go bath. Now she waka enter bedroom. The rest is history. So very touching thing like this. So I beg, eh? Everybody waiting for house, making just take them easy. I beg. All right. Okay, we'll take one more video, then we'll wrap up for the whole thing quickly. More for laughs, more come up for this sad gist. Oh yeah, one more video, make everybody laugh more. When you don't frustrate for office, you know if you hold this again, you just look. Ouch.
I say my first shift.
He pay me. Now pay me. But that kind of frustration, if it be like 4 years frustration, no. If it be 4 years frustration, now the guy just release once, poam. Very expressive something.
If it be say, the guy don't already think. Anyway, man,
maybe they gonna send them pium, they don't cut in salary to have. You see different things they have.
Never reach you.
All right, Mona jam us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Mona reach them, Mona follow us, take relate. And it's not Friday things now, day like this. We want to hear from Mona. Make Mona jam us for Twitter. Give us our own gist. We bring our greetings from Mayo. Wow, we greet everybody. Maya, you need to go to take care of small medical things to come back to the very kajad by next week. All right, tomorrow na election.
Yes.
What you get to tell you?
Waiting, I want to tell you be say tomorrow will be election. Mona come out in una numbers. Mona vote for una choice. Mona not collect rice, stay vote. Mona not collect money, stay vote. Not sell your vote. Vote right. We pledge peace.
Peace. So go see you now, okay? On Monday, Mona catch better weekend.
Yes.
Love yourself. Love everybody around you. We love you. Ogbolo, Oli,
we pledge peace.
signing out. So we pledge peace.